Hi guys, I'm Philip. Okay, so today I'm gonna teach you how to draw column using panel point editing. Okay, simple or we draw something like this lah. Actually, you can use free modeling. Okay, however, sometimes you may want to group it, right? Or you may want to favor it. Then you may use panel point editing to do it lah. Okay, very simple. So come to here. Okay. So first we go for this one, custom system cabinet. Okay, just go to this one part. Okay, we find a panel lah. This one the super board. Okay, this one can do everything, almost everything. Okay, everything, the super board. Okay, so just click on B selection, click on the board, right click, panel point editing. Okay, then you can import lah. I have do some homework first before I start. Okay, so this one is the back one. Okay, it's the ground. Okay, so I save it. Here the ground. Okay, save it, return. Okay, here the ground. Another one, we drag another board. Same thing. Okay, it's the super board. Okay, another super board. Okay, just drag to the next to it. Same thing, right click, then click on this one, panel point editing. Okay, import the CAD, simple as that. Okay, import the CAD. Number 2. Okay, open. Okay, this one is here the second one, the pattern. Okay, so I save it, return, exit. Okay, so I drag another one. This one I should put here. You see the direction is wrong, right? Never mind, I move here. Okay, so another one. Okay, another one. Superboard, another one. Okay, so just right click, panel point editing, import CAD. Okay, number 3, just 3 only, 3 pattern. This one should be this size lah, the size of this one. Okay, let's continue, save it, return, exit. Okay, so I have 3 one. Now I'm gonna start with this first, the ground. Okay, so it seems a bit thickness, right? So I'll just change the height to 100. Okay, make it 100 too much, so make it 50. Okay, this one I'll move it. Okay, I'll just move in. Okay, after we change the size, so now we're gonna do this one. Okay, simple, just click Z, button Z. Okay, so we move in, then move up. Okay, so you can see roughly there. Okay, let me see here. Okay, so another one is this one, or this is here, this one. Okay, so I'll just drag again. This one. Move up. Move in. Okay. This one a bit taller, so we're gonna make it 800. I'll give it 800. Okay. Complete. Okay. So another one is this one. This one should be same size as this one. So I'll just copy. Control V, copy one, then move in, then move up. Okay, move up here, move down and see, should be okay I think. Okay, complete. Okay, so another one, let me see here. This one should be this one. Okay, so I select, Control V again, then move in, then move up. Okay, go up and move up. can check is it okay or cannot. Okay, so I'm gonna move down a bit, here. Should be okay, or maybe here a bit. Okay, so now let's check the size. Is 108, so I minus 168 lah. Okay, I left the 800 here, so I press plus 800, make it taller, so 268 left. Okay, see number 268, so maybe add one more 100 lah. I think add one more 100. Okay. Okay, so the top right, the top here, we gonna use this function. Okay, this one, free drawing. Okay, same thing, we're gonna import lah. Okay, so let me think, this one should be the number third one. So import here, import the third one here, because on top there is the third one. So import the ship first. Okay, import the ship, then put here. Okay. So after that, click on it. Okay, you can move it up. Okay, I block the grill first. Put the grill first, so I can know where is the height. So I use this subline. Use this subline, add subline. Click on here. Okay, 168, so is the number 168 here. Then I'm gonna move it. Okay, so I'll move it up, all the way up until here. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this one or this one here, the cornice. Okay, simple. You click on the surface, then you click this one, loop. Just choose the pattern you want. Okay, so maybe this one, the pattern, I think something like, no, angle line, should be angle line, should be something like, no, should be something like this lah. I think should be something like this. No, I'll just choose this one. Okay, to this one. Just choose this one. This one. Okay. Click choose. Okay, so you can see the pattern on top. So the size, you can change it to 168. Enter. Then return. Okay. So now you have a column that's similar. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.